I don't want to talk about fake stuff. I don't want to talk about Instagram BS. I don't want to talk about people that just talk and tell you to pay and they show you nothing. How do you become the best electrician out there? You go to school, you learn. I'm a big fan of Mike Holt. I do the whole Mike Holt program. I got every book I can think of from Mike Holt because I am a lifelong learner. I want to learn as much as I can about electricity and being an electrician. But what if you want to be an electrical contractor? How are you going to learn? Where are you going to go? There is nowhere. School doesn't teach you how to be the best electrical contractor. Well, that's where I come in and this channel comes in. If we've never met, what's up? My name is Jeff, the 360 Electrician. I'm a journeyman, unlimited contractor, C10 in California. I'm a master electrician, unlimited electrical contractor here in Missoula, Montana. And I run the #1 channel for electricians that want to become electrical contractors and electrical contractors that want to level up. I've got a big announcement. It's literally the only place you can go to level up and be the best electrical contractor you can be, and that's at my website, and that's here on the 360 Electrician channel. I'm happy to announce that after years of coaching thousands of you guys, of selling hundreds and hundreds of marketing courses, paperwork courses, and things to help you put food on the table, to make more money, and to level up, I'm announcing my biggest program ever, the 360 Electricians Contractor Playbook. It is literally my mastermind, private, one-on-one group coaching session where we're going to go over 8 weeks of intense information on how I've done what I've done, how I do what I do, and how I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing. How I literally micro-franchise my 2 businesses. All W-2 employees that work for me, but yet we operate as if each and every one of them are an individual micro-franchise 360 electrician business. Can you imagine? It's a game changer that I want to teach you. The only place you're going to get it is to go to www.the360electrician.com, and you're going to click that playbook course. You're going to fill out the information. It's not cheap, but nothing like this is going to be cheap. It's going to 10x your bottom line, your growth, and your free time. I guarantee it. And the way I can guarantee it is I can show you every day on my channel. I've never done anything like this before. If you did it in coaching, it would cost you double what I'm asking you to invest right now to get into the course. I'm not like the other plumbers and the HVAC gurus and all those people that say, I'm going to teach you how to make $1 million. I'm going to get you to the next level. Once you get to that next level and you 10x where you are now, then come back for more. But what I'm going to teach you is unlimited. You usually only need to take coaching with me once. Imagine 8 weeks of my course. We're going to be talking about marketing, sales, strategy, systems, how to stay legal. I'm not a lawyer, so I'm not giving you legal advice, but common sense says you better have a contract if you're a contractor, right? This goes over and above anything I've ever done. I even have some friends coming in like Joe Burnich from Big West Marketing and Steve Cavaleris from electricaldime.com to contribute and add even more value. Hey, listen, my first 10 have already signed up and paid. We're looking for our next 10, our next 10, and our next 10. 6 to 10 per group. That's it. That's why I say it's one-on-one group coaching. Let's do it. If you're ready, head to my website and I'll see you there.